Hey there, if you want AI to save your time, improve your work, and actually make a difference, you're in the right place. This is AI Scope, where complex ideas become simple, practical, and easy to use. Every video is designed to give you clarity, real use cases, and results that you can apply immediately. No hype, just what works. Let's start. AI videos are becoming so realistic that some of these clips honestly look like real movie footage. So in this video, I tested the biggest AI video generators using the same prompts to see which one is actually the best. And after testing everything, I think one AI model is officially ahead of everyone else. Right now, AI video is evolving insanely fast. Creators are using these tools for YouTube videos, ads, faceless channels, short films, UGC, even client work. But the problem is there are too many AI video tools now. So today, I'm comparing the biggest ones side by side, Kling, Runway, VO, Sora, and a few others to see which looks most realistic, which is best for creators, and which one is actually worth using. And to make this fair, I use the exact same prompts for every tool. I tested cinematic shots, realistic humans, movement, action scenes, talking scenes, and social media style content. And honestly, the results surprised me. Some tools looked incredible, others still felt very AI generated. First, Kling AI. And visually, this tool is insane. The motion feels smooth, camera movement looks cinematic, and the realism is honestly impressive. What makes Kling stand out is how well it understands movement. Things like hair physics, cloth movement, camera tracking, water lighting all feel more natural compared to most AI video tools. For cinematic content, Kling is probably one of the best options right now. But there are still problems. Generation can be slow, and sometimes you need multiple tries to get a good result. Still, for pure visuals, Kling is definitely top tier. Next, Runway. Runway feels more like a professional creator tool. Instead of just generating clips, it focuses more on workflow and editing. You can control camera motion, edit scenes, use references, and integrate it into real projects much easier. Compared to Kling, I think Runway is better for YouTubers, editors, agencies, commercial work. The visuals may not always look as realistic as Kling or VO, but the user experience is much better. And honestly, that matters a lot when creating content consistently. Now let's talk about VO. This one genuinely shocked me. The realism is crazy. Some shots honestly look like real footage. The lighting, camera movement, and overall atmosphere feel extremely advanced, but the biggest feature is this. VO can generate sound directly inside the video, meaning ambient audio effects, dialogue, environmental sounds can all be generated automatically. That's a huge deal because most AI video tools still require separate audio editing. The downside is limited access, slower rendering, and higher costs. But in terms of overall realism, VO might actually be the best AI video model right now. Then we have Sora. Sora is still very impressive for storytelling and creative scene generation. The transitions between scenes feel smooth, and prompts are interpreted really well. But honestly, it no longer feels untouchable. Competitors like Kling and VO are catching up very fast. I also tested tools like Pika, Luma, and Vidu. These tools are great for quick content, TikToks, shorts, fast social media workflows. Maybe not movie level quality yet, but definitely useful for creators. So after testing everything, here's my ranking. Best overall realism, VO. Best cinematic visuals, Kling. Best workflow, Runway. Best storytelling, Sora. Best budget/fast content, Pika and Luma. Honestly, there's no perfect AI video generator yet. The best tool depends on what you create. If you make cinematic edits, Kling YouTube production, Runway ads, VO short form content, Pika or Luma, that's probably the best setup right now. The craziest part is, AI video is still just getting started. In the next few years, one creator with AI tools could produce content that normally requires an entire production team. And that's going to completely change content creation. So comment below, which AI video tool do you think looked the best? And if you want, I can also make a full video where I create an entire cinematic short film using only AI tools. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.